Ever wondered about the difficulties of teaching science in elementary school? It's a task that poses unique challenges. How do you make complex subjects like physics and biology accessible and engaging for young, curious minds? And let's not forget the struggle of finding appropriate teaching aids and resources that can simplify these complex concepts without diluting their essence. These challenges are real, but what if we told you there's a tool that can help overcome them? Enter PhET simulations, a game changer in the realm of science education. These interactive tools breathe life into the abstract world of scientific concepts. Imagine the difference between reading about gravity and experiencing it via a simulation. PhET simulations make this possible. They are not just visually appealing, but they cater to different learning styles. Visual learners can see the concepts in action, kinesthetic learners can interact with the simulations, and auditory learners can benefit from the sound effects and verbal explanations. This promotes active learning, allowing students to explore, experiment, and learn at their own pace. PhET simulations can make science more engaging and understandable, but how can you incorporate them into your classroom? You might be wondering, how can I start using PhET simulations in my classroom? Well, it's simpler than you think. Start by incorporating these simulations into your lesson plans. PhET simulations offer a wide array of subjects, from physics to chemistry, making them versatile tools for teaching. Use them for exciting, live demonstrations right in your classroom, turning abstract concepts into visible, interactive models. Or take your experiments to the next level by allowing students to manipulate variables and observe outcomes. And it doesn't stop there. Extend learning beyond the classroom by assigning PhET simulations as homework. Students can explore and learn at their own pace, reinforcing classroom teachings. So don't wait any longer. Give PhET simulations a try and experience the difference in your science teaching journey.